I'm going to show you how to make a very luxurious, delicious, but yet simple, most important pasta. You can use any pasta, penne, spaghetti, whatever you have. I have these cute little orecchietti. Heat a little olive oil, add some butter, and then just stir fry a little bit of garlic, thinly sliced baby marrow ribbons, some chili. I use red chili just for color. And you just let that wilt down, beautiful golden and yummy. And then you add in some cream. You could add a little bit of stock, but I just use cream just because it's goes really reduced and thick. And then whatever pasta you're using, just toss in some drained pasta. You can add a little bit of the pasta water, salt, freshly ground black pepper, and then of course, a good handful or cupful of grated Parmigiano Reggiano. It's utterly dreamy and creamy. It's full of that beautiful Parmigiano Reggiano flavor. It's just a really magical dish. Make it.